You guys here on vacation?
Just up from Naples. Day trip.
Enjoy this.
Thank you. What's that? Yep. Yeah, we got the package.
Ready, Dad?
Alright, here we go, buddy. It's gonna be cool.
I better be cool.
Here we go. Who giving a tennis ball here? Here we go, ready?
Yes! So fun!
So
Oh crap! This
That's
is
so cool.
This is so amazing.
Awesome.
Woo. Feels like my hands are the only one keeping me safe.
Nah, dude.
Oh crap. I'm not even going down.
This is so cool.
Oh crap. Oh my god.
That was pretty neat, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Higher than all of you suckers. Hi. Look your legs under, Dad.
That was really cool, huh?
I know, right?
That was awesome, dude.
How was it, man?
Very cool.
You guys